Hello everyone, today I am going to share with you some glimpses from my visit to the temple on Mahashivratri. So I went there to offer prayers and I wanted to share those moments with you guys. And yeah, I could not record much because there was a huge crowd and I was also busy with the puja, so I did not get much time. Okay, but I managed to capture a little just so I could share it with you all of you. So guys, in this video I will be sharing those clips and I will also try to explain everything in English. So this will be a full English vlog. Okay, so please don't skip the video and watch it till the end. Hello friends, today is Mahashivratri. So first of all, I wish you all a very happy Mahashivratri. May Lord Shiva fulfill all your wishes. So friends, I woke up early this morning, freshened up, got ready and first performed puja at home. After that, my mother and I went to the temple right outside our house. There was a Bhagavad Katha happening and Yagya was also going on, so we went there. You can see I am showing you how crowded it was. There was a long line of devotee. It was a bit less crowded here, but in other temples nearby the lines were even longer. Still we managed to do our puja, offered jal to Lord Shiva and presented flowers, prasad, diya, belpatra, bhang. After the puja and aarti, we distributed prasad to children. You can see how much crowd there was. Chants of mantras and Shiva's stuti were happening all around. I could not record much, but I am sharing what I could capture with you all. So you can see it there. So guys, you can see it here. You know, I left home at 7 a.m. It was chilly, but there was also sunshine, so I did not wear a sweater. I don't feel much cold anymore. Maybe just a little in the evening, but the so guys, I just wore a simple suit, and as you can see, there was a huge crowd here. There were also many idols of Lord Shiva placed around. You can see many idols of Lord Shiva placed around. So guys, a fair was about to start there and I think today was the last day. So there were stalls for chole bhature, pani puri, ice cream, toys for children and more was arranging. In the evening even more stalls would be set up, so I could not record them, sorry, but all the vendors had their stalls ready. So there were also stalls for puja items and flowers with people sitting and selling them. So yeah, some little kids were carrying bhang leaves and going to temples, so devotee could buy it for a rupee or two if they needed. So yeah, that was today's scene friends. So beautiful, peaceful and full of positivity, and I felt so good being there. I can't even describe how many mantras were being chanted. It was so soothing and calming. So yeah, it was really amazing day. So I just tried to explain it all in simple English. I hope you liked it. Please guys, if you like, please do subscribe and support my channel, and happy Mahashivratri to all of you. And in the end, keep speaking English, keep learning, keep speaking, keep practicing and improve day by day, and best of luck. Bye.